Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. This is the Big 6 Genesis Controller. I think this is pretty cool, man. Look at that. Especially the piano black with the arrow indices for the up, down, left, and right. Circle dots for the diagonals. Ooh, just the piano, the piano black. The panel with the start. The crossbar for the D-pad. That just looks slick. And the well-placed home and select button on the bottom of the controller. Make sure to take a look at the default button mapping in the instructions. And of course you get your left and right and your USB-C, which is great, and your LED. Here in the back you get a chance to reset your controller using a paperclip. Combining start and R will also reset it for 4 seconds. This receiver is for the Sega Genesis, the Mega Drive, and Sega Saturn. Sorry, it doesn't actually say anything about the micro USB, so I don't know. Of course, it comes with the USB adapter for most other devices. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you, friends, family, and strangers. Hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Hopefully another controller or something else. We'll see you soon.